Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to do a reliability test in SPSS using a Cronbach's alpha to determine this value in SPSS. Reliability test is an indicator of reliability and consistency of assessment. The test is testing if the measurement will produce consistent finding if they were repeated on different occasions or replicated by another person or researcher. The value for the Cronbach alpha or reliability test is from 0 to 1. 0, it means that there is no reliability, no consistency. 1, it means that there is a perfect consistency in the measurement. The greater the value of the alpha, the more reliable the assessment. The small table here on the right hand side tell you that if the reliability is greater, equal or greater than 0.9 or 90%, then it's excellent reliability. However, if the value of the alpha is less than 0.5, less than 50%, then it is not acceptable. How can we determine the alpha, Cronbach alpha in SPSS? I have here a model for a questionnaire or questions with individual answer the questions, when we have 10 questions. Each one of these questions answered either yes or no, and we will use this model for calculating the Cronbach alpha. And the way to do that is to go into click on analysis, click on scale, and then click on reliability analysis. A window, sorry, I will have to reset this. A window here will appear, and on the left hand side you have all the items, which are in our case is the questions from 1 to 10. I will just select all of these, transfer them into the item box, and we need to calculate the alpha. We keep the model as alpha, and then for statistics we will for the descriptive we'll click on the items, scale, then scale if the item deleted. This is very important. I will show you shortly how significant is this box here. And then enter items, correlations, then click on means, click on continue, and hit the button for OK. Now this SPS output shows that there are 5 cases, 5 individuals participated in this study, and all of them were included 100%. The next table is the most important. It gives you the value of the reliability. Cronbach alpha is calculated and found to be 0.7. 0.7 is not bad. Equal that, say it means that 70% of the this test is reliable, or testing that these data are reliable. And then the other important also table is here that's saying what happened if you delete one of these item questions from 1 to 10. As we can see here, this table indicate that if we delete question number 1, the value for the alpha will be 0.8. However, with it's included, the value rate for the alpha is 0.7. So if we go back again and try to do the analysis, scale, reliability test, and try to remove question 1 from the analysis and keep everything the same and hit the button OK, voila, Cronbach alpha is now 0.83 or 83%, comparable to 0.7 or 70%. So this is the way to do reliability test, and this is the way how to really find which items within this data that really affect the alpha value.